Hey y'all, I'm going to work on the cover. I'm going to decorate the cover for this purple journal. And I have an image from Artymaze. This is from her Bohemian journaling cards kit. And some of the purple lace-dyed pages from Tailor-Made Journals. And then I also have a dictionary page. I have my Distress Oxide and Vintage photo. And I'm going to layer these images together. It's a little large, so I'm going to use my tear ruler and tear down this dictionary page. And then I will ink around it. Okay, now I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and do some stitching around the images. I just did a straight stitch along the edges. Some purple thread. And now it fits nicely on the cover. Now I did add a piece of embroidered lace, that dark purple floral embroidered lace along the edge of the spine there. And then I also have some applique pieces. These are all from Crafty Me Shop over on Facebook. I believe that she has also opened up an Etsy shop now. So I'm just going to play around with these pieces and decide how I want to do the layout. I chose another piece of Crafty Me Shop lace. This one, another embroidered lace piece. There are some little yellow flowers at the bottom of this image. So I thought the yellow would pair nicely. I decided to add that across the top and along the side. And then my buddy decided he was hungry. I've also chosen the tie for the journal. I'm going to stitch along here and stitch this ribbon down. So I just have it paper clipped in place for now. And I'm going to start gluing these pieces down. I'm adding a little bit of glue at a time, gluing a section down at a time so that I can tuck the other pieces of embroidered lace up underneath these flowers where I want them. And I'll just continue doing this until I get everything glued into place. Okay, this is the last flower that I'm going to add. And then I decided I wanted to do some stamping on this. And I have this clear stamp set by Tailor Made Journals from Creative Expressions called the Bookmakers stamp. And I'm going to use this stamp that says journal. And I'm going to use some Stays On ink in jet black. And here I'm just priming my stamp so that I get a good dark clear image. I'm going to place it on my piece. And because this piece is layered, I'm going to hold it in place and press pretty hard and kind of rock it back and forth a little bit so that I get a really clear image. Okay, now my journal topper is done. And I'm going to glue it into place. I just have this one little flower hanging off down here that's bugging me, so I'm going to clip it off. And then I'll choose a new spot for it on the cover and glue it into place. And I will glue all of the pieces, the loose pieces of the applique, into place along the journal cover as well. I'm also going to stitch my closure ribbons down on the front and back, and I'll be using a zigzag stitch for that, and just run back and forth several times. Okay, these are stitched into place. And then I'll just take these and tie them into a big bow. And that will be the closure for the journal. Now I also want to add something else to the top left corner of this journal. Maybe some dangles or a paper clip embellishment or a bull clip embellishment. Needs a little something on that top left corner, but I'll save that for another video. Okay, for now, she's done. Thanks for watching, y'all.